Hello everybody, this is Jennifer. No, I did not fall off the face of the earth. I've been gone like the last month, largely because of my son's wedding, and I was finishing up the favors, and I just wanted to show you the slew of the little wedding favors because I just think they came out adorable. They're pilots, they wanted a travel theme, and it's a little suitcase, and it opens, and the compass kind of halfway works, but it's like the cute, you can kind of see it'll move, it'll open with the Velcro on here, and if you untie your ribbon, and I was just so proud of them. They came out really cute, and that took up, like, I swear to God, 2 weeks extra finishing because I had so many and waited so long to do it. I'm showing you today, though, the Anna Griffin mystery box for October. We got them a few days early. I am excited, so let me just jump right in and show you that. The first thing in mine was these rub-ons, and I'm thinking, what is it called? I don't know. It's from 2008. Oh, here, Alex collection, 2008. And as you can see, it's all sea themed kind of thing, beach theme. I love it. And again, they're the 12-inch, so awesome for me because I do a lot of those down here. So I was very happy with that. The next thing I got is the layered foliage dies. I already have these, and if you probably just saw, here's the set I did, and it was in another video not long ago. Let me see if I still have the samples in here with this. Do I have them in here? I think I might. Yes, I do. So you get, and I remember saying one of these is backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in the kit. I love these. I think these are so great, and I debate. You can see some of the different, like the different foliages you can use. See the like the different flowers on there, and in the instructions it'll go through it. I'll post the link either in the description or if I remember in the video, so you can see, because one or two of them is kind of backwards, but look at how pretty these come out. I mean, look at that for like fall foliage. And then you can kind of do, here you can see the two of these for like greenery. This one I did brown, again going into trying to do fall, but I love these, and I just thought, wow. And these I had bought on the HSN on one of like the clearance things, but I swear I think I paid 20 bucks for them, 18 bucks, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, I have to look back, but I was willing to buy them, and they came in the package, so yay. Anna's still giving us the good stuff. Okay, the next item is, and this little section here, I'm not 100% sure what it is. I saw some people got a clear, like acetate. I think it's supposed to make like a little scrapbook or something. I would have been okay with that too. So this looks like just the envelopes, all the ivory. Then it's got, and there's no date and name, so if anyone knows what it is, please let me know because I have no idea. I haven't been around long enough, like some of the people, oh, so jealous that have been around for years and know it all. But here you go. So these are obviously, these are punch outs, not dies. And I think they're stickers if I'm not mistaken. Let me just double check here. Is that, yeah. So there's the sticker part, looks like. Okay. So we have some just solid colors and golds, very pretty swirlies here. Here we've got some of the colors. This one is all leaves. Very pretty, right? And I'm thinking that makes it very easy to just put on these little cards. I'm seeing if they're bases or layers. Let's see if I can get it open here. Here we go. And do we have base? They are. So these are just layers, which I'm fine with. I actually had finally bought some of her ivory card stock. And I think the stock up sale, if you're in Korea, is still going on, that you can get some of the ivory, which, you know, works beautiful. But these are just layers. And I love it because I'm always saying, man, I wish she would sell more of her card bases and things like this separately. So it looks like she must have at one time. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. These are the kind of things I like doing. Okay, maybe not very Anna Griffin, but that you do the shaker over it, and I like it. So you just put like some pretty dust, you know what I mean? And it makes it very easy to do. Look at that. Very elegant. Beautiful, beautiful. Like this. I would probably do something like that in there. Gorgeous. Okay, let's see. I'm not even sure. I probably should have counted how many of each of these were. Look at that pretty pattern. Wow, these are so beautiful. What are these from, and why don't I have any from before? There you go. Okay, so I like that. I really, really like this little set. How cute is this? Okay, next item is the Beauregard square cards and envelopes. Again, love when I get her card bases. Oh my gosh, so excited. This Beauregard's, if you didn't have any of the toppers or things like that, was for the men, that kind of thing. Let's, oh, is it, let me see, is it glued here? Hang on. Oh, give me a sec. And I have some of the toppers, which are so funny and cute. But I really like, the patterns are subtle. Okay. The patterns are more subtle on these. So it doesn't have to be just for men. Look at all these. How many is on there? Does it say? 2022. I don't know how many are in here, but look. So you're getting, there we go. We're getting all our bases like this. Beautiful. And you know, they're just simpler, more masculine, but I like them. Okay, let me see what else we have in here. Some more of these. The bases, let's see that one. Oh my gosh, how many we get of each? I really should be paying attention to how many we're getting of each one, but of course I'm not, because I'm just too busy oohing and eyeing over what we're getting. It's just two. Let's see, there's two of those. One, look at that. Two, there we go. Makes it easier, right? Is this, do they have printed? No sentiments inside, but that's okay. I like that. Now I know, okay, so there's three of each. There we go. I like that a lot. Those I had almost put a square photo in scrapbook instead. I like this paper. Isn't that pretty? These are all just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So see. Yeah. Wow. Three of everything here. Look at that. Can you see the blue and the gold? Beautiful. These would go with my Madison stuff I just got. Wasn't it Madison? Right? The red, white, and blues. Look at that. Gorgeous. And the last one. So how many did we get there? Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Okay, so that looks to be 36 of those, and I love it. Cards and envelopes. Thrilled. Yay, yay, yay. So I've already just, you know, already got my value here. And then the last item, which again, have it, love it, is from, I believe, Create at Home 2. The first one not Create at Home, sorry, the Crop at Home. The first Crop at Home I went to was 3. And then, of course, in the after crop sale, I bought the whole box from 2 because it was a really good deal and I wanted all of it. And I was like, oh my gosh. And it came with the instructions. It was a ridiculously good deal. I can't even remember how much. But so this one says floral, but I'm trying to think. There's probably a proper name for this. I don't see it. It's not the paisley one though. That I already have too. So let's just take a quick look. Paper first because it's the paper and I just can't help myself. Okay, so we have gorgeous. I'm like hoping you can even kind of see all these. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Oh, look at the back side. Wow. That is some gorgeous bright summer paper. Love it. Okay. Next one. Let's see what we got here. So we've got the beautiful flowers. Look at that. Is there like an up or down? What's the right way with that? But with the little, they're like little flowers. Isn't that cute? Okay. Somebody tell me what the name of this was. I swear I should know it, but I don't. I'm like the worst with that. And it's not just paper crafting. I am pretty bad with names of people and shows and celebrities and that kind of thing too. So gorgeous. Oh, that's just simple and pretty and just says spring. Very pretty. Look at that pretty blue. Okay. Why don't I know these? But I like this. See, I feel like I should have bought an extra pack of this paper. I saw some people got the paisley one, and I have like 2 or 3 of those already. I really like it for fall. Very pretty. Let's see, one more with the lace here. Let's see what we got. Pretty flowers. Oh, look at that. Dramatic. Very pretty. There we go. What else goes with these? Does anybody know? here's a weakness. This goes into all the weddings books and things like that. I always end up saving them or using for accents with these. Beautiful. And last but not least, and I feel again I should know this one with the green. Beautiful. Okay, and then here it came with all these pretty borders with it. I mean, so these are normally, if you're lucky, you can get them on HSN or Super Sale or something for maybe $35. Really good deal if you could get a pouch for $35, that kind of thing. Going to HSN right now, there is some deals. This is the end of October 24, where there's some stuff on clearance, and I think it's the Annalise, and it's comes out to like $25 plus shipping, something like that. So that's one of the packs that's, I'm saying you occasionally can find really good deals on the packs. Otherwise, they're like $50, $60 for the sets. Okay, so here we have a ton of the borders, probably enough to do 8, right? 2 pages. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous, and I think I want it on a fuchsia paper, not even black. Wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, we've got that. Then we've got our pretty little labels. What do these say? Okay, and I have, you know what, you guys, I do like these better than the new, just scripty punch out ones are on the newer ones. I like this better. Sorry, I know it's probably popular, the other one, but I like these. Okay, our story, friends, happiness, journey, adventure, grateful. Look at these. See, like, to me, this is just fantastic. These are just, I would like extra sets of these. And a Griffin, if you ever hear, do more of these, please, so we can do our scrapbooks and add all these things in. Bright is beautiful. Beautiful. Here we have the foils. I can see corners in there, the foliages, flowers, all that. I'm not going to pull them all out. And flowers, because let's just take a quick peek. And let's see. And here you go. Look at this. Aren't they fabulous? Okay, hopefully somebody knocked on the door. Sorry. So the last thing I'm showing is just the pretty flowers, because, oh my gosh, I always just like seeing it. And as you could tell, if you remember the papers, these are all so beautifully coordinated. So just another, and there is just so, I mean, look at how many are in here again. So what an awesome kit from Anna to include in the mystery boxes. So that's it for me today. I have no idea, like I said, been gone for like a couple weeks. So I have piles of stuff to go through, and I have a whole list of little videos I wanted to do from holiday stuff and gift bags and boxes. And I have no idea, but I promise it won't be another month till I'm back. Thank you so much for popping by, and I will talk to you all soon.